Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I groom my eyebrows. This is a really easy and fast and make your eyebrows really nice without even filling them in. And today's video was also highly requested when you guys wanted to know how I shape and maintain my eyebrows, and I have always done it at home. And I wanted to share that with you, especially during times when parlors are closed. You'll probably have to do it yourself, and I will show you how to do it. And I'm gonna show you how I clean my eyebrows, and it's gonna be super easy. I'm gonna show you step by step how I clean it and what I do. So please stay tuned. And how to groom your eyebrows at home, we need tweezers, spoolie, shave, trim scissors. The first thing I do is brush my brow hair down, and I'm using MAC 204 spoolie brush. So with that brush, I'm going to brush my brow hair downwards. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush that hair is in an upward direction and it upwards and out of the way. So once I finish to that, I will go ahead and twist everything. So I'm going to twist all the excess hairs. What we want to do now is we're gonna take that tweezers and you're gonna grab from the root of the hair. And next, we're going to brush the brows up and out. By brushing the brows up, there's gonna automatically give nice and lift to the eye. It also helps to see the natural contour. What we have to do is brush downwards. You can basically take a look at how the length is there. It moves around. Then you can see how it's very wispy over here. So brush it in the direction that it grows. So I will brush downwards. We can see that is the way that it grows. And I'm going to hold it down. And anything that's poking through below my spoolie brush, cut very carefully. And then brush it down and then trim from underneath, holding that so it doesn't move around. And brushing the eyebrow hair downward, which actually makes it easier to see how long the hairs are, and carefully cut off the bottom of them, and this will make eyebrows look much more clean and neat. When it comes to the eyebrow hairs, I would say be careful with how you twist and not to go overboard. So look in the mirrors and check how it looks from far away before you keep going. And by the way, if it is the first time you're doing it or you are very sensitive to pain, I would say take some ice, put in the piece of cloth and hold it in the area where you'll be tweezing, and hold it there about 20 or 15 seconds. Then that helps you can start and tweezing. And guys, don't pull too much because that will cause a wrinkle. So be very careful with your skin, and that area around your eyes is very thin and sensitive. So be careful. Take extra time to make sure it's very clean. And you know guys, tweezing on the lower side is a little bit more painful than to the top side. So again, if you feel that pain, you can also gently massage. On the inner side of my brows, I pluck very little because I like to keep it very clean and neat as possible. So the last step is to use the little eyebrow razor to really clean everything up, and just very gently at an angle, and go with the razor downwards motion on the top of your eyebrows and stop right above where your eyebrow starts, and do the same with the bottom. Be very careful with this because it's easy to cut, not yourself, but the eyebrows hair, and you don't want to have an accident, which is not gonna look nice. So I will prefer that you take your time and just bring it down smoothly. As you can see, when you do that tool, it also like it pops your eyebrows, or it gives more definition of your eyebrows. There's still some hair with very fine. Sometimes you may not able to pull it using a tweezers, and for that you'll need a razor. I got a lot of people asking me how I've been cleaning up my eyebrows myself. So this is a quarantine brow glow up, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope this brow tutorial was helpful for you. If you feel like you're kind of a little bit lost on what to do, how to groom your eyebrows, just watch and share my video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you feel like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.